You're visiting St. Matthew Lutheran Church in Walled Lake, Michigan today, all thanks to Joyce Schonsheck, who submitted this remarkable design for us. Located near Detroit in Wayne County, such beautiful area, you can imagine why their designs are so well influenced by common Porta-Penantech DVD pays. Quite unique settings surely stem from right where they begin. They come, as we can see here. Now looking at Prep Our chosen theme the church implemented during the Advent period, which is a 4-week special celebration happening before Christmas. There's love and attention presented, not just one random color combination picked. This color represents colors of winter such as lighter tones, white, blue, red, greens, but notice that I specified shades cause if you look now you will see how it blends nicely. These hues create magical depth to any space regardless. Joyce and group went ahead, spent few sessions. That must have been around 20 Tuesdays evenings, maybe some with meals involved, did discuss projects, ideas, future ones, probably brainstorm some ways people staying within allocated $20 on average spend, put lots creativity made to using materials they got away with practically free after hours. Donations received adding up totaled almost $2,000 since we certainly can't do everything without them. Here she's giving you an example of what exactly placed one word. Another behind the silver ribbons this way added extra structure. You notice ropes hanging evenly apart created a wonderful balance, which is very inviting. Visitors try take selfies, give thumbs up while we're near these beautiful blue metallic tones making full complete look blue and red. Now have another clue. Watch closely at previous picture. It did come down to braided fishing line. That Joyce decision hung letters prep, putting all shapes into neat spot, maybe little fragile there, thus needed some tension, so can secure properly. Side had been done with good use. Additional planning was brought forth. Real challenges faced, budget cuts, but church stood resilient. Shared idea worked, lots folks together made progress possible. Even thought quite tough, definitely 100 many more projects they set accomplish. Next time we invite church speak steps, planning stages. You learn from their success, failure lessons, sharing experiences helps plan always extra better. I truly enjoy SCHS for submitting an amazing, beautiful Advent project design and incredible story, which one of the most lovable ever seen. As is usual on our channel, now take care to peel open description, clearly written, everything explained over, plus see links, help rest your hands if that causes you can. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.